Hi, my friends. I am with A2Z Investor. I am Romeo the Professor, where we talk about and invest in cryptos, Forex, stocks, real estate. When you subscribe to this channel, you're going to get exclusive training Bitcoin, altcoin news, technical analysis, and more, and the latest cryptos to buy based on the latest data. What are we going to talk today? We're going to talk about Chainlink. Could it do 3 times or more between now and December? Also, what happens to Chainlink price if it Grayscale lists it? And we're going to do a technical analysis on Chainlink to know where it's at right now and what do we think. Now, our cryptocurrencies to watch list are based on latest prices and user behaviors. We normally share them throughout the video, so listen, and we'll share with you what we think about Chainlink if we believe that. Now, I am not a financial planner. None of this is meant to construe it as investment advice. It's for entertainment purposes only, so please subscribe now before we start. So Chainlink, could it do 3 times or more between now and the end of the year 2021? So let's read. Timothy Peterson has forecasted that Chainlink could increase by 3 times or more. He explained Link is fairly valued, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum that are in a bubble. That's what he says. Chainlink increased by a factor 3 times, where it brings its value around $66. Let's see if it's currently at 66. Chainlink right here, I have 23. So we'll see what he's talking about. Maybe I don't have the wrong. So, meaning if it goes to 3 times, yes, 66. Understood. Bitcoin and crypto analysts, yes, we heard it, say it could increase in value by a factor of 3 or more between now and the end of the year. His analysis, he think Link, I do see it happening. His forecast says, 1 second. He didn't even put a forecast why he think it will be. He just said because there's a bubble. So he didn't even mention why. But I'm going to share with you why. So if Grayscale listed, this is what most likely will happen. Institutional investors are clearly interested in cryptocurrencies, which is true. This is evidenced by the fact that institutional money is drying up the sell side liquidity, pushing Bitcoin price higher. However, it won't be long before those investors get a taste of the volatility and superior return that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets offer. Now, we know Ethereum is the second most popular after Bitcoin. This is why investing companies like Grayscale and other institutional face platforms that offer altcoin investments will come into picture. So, we know Bitcoin is the main attraction. And in fact, I've stated by the end of the year, I believe Bitcoin will hit $70,000. Some is saying 100. Could it? Well, possibility. Now, into Grayscale. For a few weeks now, crypto traders have been going on about how Link will be the next asset listed on Grayscale. As previously reported, this might be more than just a pipe dream, since Grayscale has incorporated an additional 6 trusts in the state of Delaware that includes Link among other assets. Okay? So, let's look at it. I had to open it up so you can see. You see where, let's look for Link, Chainlink. You see where it says right here, 4495219, Grayscale Chainlink Trust. Yes, it is true. So, let me refresh it. Back out of this. Let me back out. Hold up. I apologize. So, let's look at the price analysis for Chainlink currently right now. Chainlink is right now at $23. And let's see if it's at its all-time high. Yes, it's at its all-time high. Just in the month alone, because we're looking at a monthly chart, just in the month alone, from here, $11 to peak 24, that's been about a 200% increase. And that started this month, January 1st till February 2nd. And it came from $11, and right now it's at $23, which is about 100% increase. Do I see Chainlink hitting the $66 mark? I do see Chainlink hitting the $50 mark. So I see Chainlink actually doing another double cycle, because if you can remember here on July, it was at $7, and as you can see here in December, it was at $7, and it did 3 times to $23, which happened in just about a month and a half. So I foresee Chainlink heading towards that. So let's go. So now, as it can be observed, looking at all of these, okay, you would see Filecoin, Decentralized Trust Mana, and Horizon Trust. So, as observed, the other cryptocurrencies included Bait, Mana, Phil, LPT, XYT. Grayscale buying up most of these newly minted BTCs. The additions of the new altcoins would definitely be bullish for these coins. Perhaps an evolution of the Grayscale effect, one quite similar to the effect during the exchange listing of tokens during the ICO periods of 2017 and 18. Okay, so let's look. Cardano. I'm going to tell you the coins that I'm bullish on. So let's start with first one. Basic attention token, I'm bullish on. Chainlink, bullish on. And Mana, bullish on. Those I do like, and I do believe they're positioned right, which I'll do separate videos on each of them separately. Bait, Mana. So this is what I'd like for you to do today. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and leave a comment, say you subscribe, and tell me your thoughts about the topics we discussed today, Chainlink and others. I am Romeo the Professor, and until then, have a nice day and invest wisely. Thank you.